Hey everybody, it's Harold from Living in the Hill Country. Today I'm going to go over two different things. I'm going to show you how I make my compost bin. I got my second one ready to go over there, so I'm going to show you how I do that and get it all set up. And the second thing is kind of want to talk a little bit about leaf wilting during the heat and why they do that. So stick around. Life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness right here in the hill country of Texas. So as you know, this was, or is, not was, is my compost bin. And it is full. I've been putting table scraps and cuttings, lawn cuttings in there. Been stirring it up, watering it down, kind of letting it do its thing, and now it's full. And it's heavy. And I needed to make another one, and I do have my other one. I'm going to make that, and I'll show you how I do that, and then we'll get it set up over here. So here we have our compost bin. It's a Rubbermaid roughneck garbage can, 32 gallon. And what you want to do is you want to get yourself a drill bit about a 1/2 inch, and I'm going to want to drill holes in the top, along the sides, and I even put some on the bottom just to give it drainage on the bottom. I don't overdo it, I just put a few. Just put enough in there to allow a little bit of the excess water to leak out. And then I just go down the sides of the trash can and just drill some holes in the side. Do them about a foot apart or so. Maybe about 4 or 5. Basically to get some air movement through the can, trash can, to help with the decomposition. There, now I got them in the bottom and the sides. And then what I'll also do is I'll grab the lid, and I'll also do them on the lid. And that's just to help give it better airflow so that the compost can breathe. There you have it. Completed, ready to go. Now let's go set it up by the other one. So there you have it. I have them all set up. I do set them up on bricks, or you can use treated lumber or anything you have just to get it up off the ground to help a little bit with the seepage and air movement on the bottom. And I just set it on there. Now what I'll do is I'll take and I'll transfer some of the compost from the one furthest away into the new one, just to begin the process and to help rotate or stir the compost up, or stir the products up that become compost. So we'll do that. cardboard. Yeah, it's breaking down. We got potato bugs in there. Looks like we got some maggots or something in there. That's fantastic. Look at there. An eggshell. Hard-boiled egg. Or used to be. Gotta love playing with dirt, or in this case, compost. Part of gardening lifestyle. Hey everybody, wanted to talk a little bit about wilting leaves. Notice these cucumber plants, squash plants. They're all wilty. What that is basically, from what I understand, is a defense mechanism to protect the plant itself from the heat. It begins to direct all the resources to the main vine. All the water, all the resources to the main vine. And then later on, when it cools off, outside, this will all be restored. And we're going to see the difference when I come out to water. It'll be a little bit cooler. And the beans don't seem to show that much as far as dealing with the heat. As far as wilting and that, they must love it a little bit better. Here's the peppers. Quick glance at those. They love the heat, love the sun. Well, we're going to see how this changes when it starts to cool down a little bit later on today. And watch these perk up. So we were out here earlier, about 1:30 in the afternoon. It was sunny and hot, and it's still warm out here. But the leaves on these cucumber plants, squash plants, were all wilty. And I explained to you that what they're doing is protecting themselves from the heat by generating all the water that they built up down to the main root. It's a survival technique that they use. Now, I haven't watered these at all yet. I'm going to do that a little bit later here. But I wanted to show you how they recover. Look just as healthy as can be. So, a little bit of a educational thought there for you. Whenever you see your wilty leaves, do not panic. It's just the protective mechanism of the plant itself, directing all the resources of water and energy to the root system to protect the root system. And then it just regenerates the vines and the leaves when the temperature drops and it cools off a little bit. Okay, we got the second compost bin done. Now you know how to do that. Also, you know, you've learned a little bit about wilty leaves on your plants and how not to worry that they'll recover. So now I got to get to watering the plants. It's a little bit dry. It's been a couple of days since I watered, so I need to get that done. But thank you for watching this video, If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'd very much appreciate it. And as always, God bless you and have a great day.